soon online and in select national bookstore branches.
The movie is Cinemas October 15. We're gonna open nationwide in Philippines. Yay! In cinemas only.
Also, our friend Chuck Smith has just sold out his book, Son of an 80s Bold Star. Thank you, Andrew. Thank you, everybody. Please watch our movie October 15, only in cinemas. Maraming salamat. Mabuhay din lahat. Bye po! God bless you guys. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.